on, Indy? To do the play test. Here. Works. Yeah, I'm turning the music down. Alright, just go to Steam. You can do the playtest on Steam. Just go to Steam, hit the playtest button. While I'm streaming here, I'll have it as an open playtest, and I'll probably close it again after that. Right. Oh my. Yeah, just go to Steam, check out the playtest. Display. I've got a new setup with my try. But I can't. How's it going, Dak? Nice. YouTube first. Nugget, good to see. Alright, let's see. Issues with OBS. Oh. Horizontal stream with my. Yeah, I want this. Goes to well, okay, good deal. Yeah, install it. Thanks. Would love your feedback. I have a new build that might do that really quickly. Basically, I've got some quests. I actually have a lot added. Do that. I need to make sure I do is turn my screen up. Let me. Meanwhile, I really want the vertical catch up here. I can do most of the build processes. This is pretty easy. I need to set it up where it's automated. I need a CI, continuous integration set up. But for now, I'll just do it. It doesn't take very long, and then I've got to go. No stream. Well, I just have to hide my while I actually do. Because it shows my password. You see max rarity is blank on your install. Oh, you're on Windows? It's because, just open up the program. I've got debug mode on. What you're seeing is the log. But it still should be running, I'm guessing. If it's not running, let me know. But it still should be running. I probably could. Actually, on this release, let me turn, let's do that again, and I'll turn debug off. I don't think you need. So we'll just do console wrapper. Camera's stuck. Are you using a controller? It is controller only. While the most people had pretty good luck, so I'm hoping it works. Yeah, you'll need a controller, fortunately. I probably should give you a warning if it's a controller. It is not, well, it's not keyboard mouse yet. Yeah, plug your controller in. You might have to restart Steam. Let me know. All right, we're about to do this export. Nice. Which 3D printer did you go with? I like my Elegoo Neptune Pro. It's pretty good. Can't remember which one you got. I think you remember you talking about it. All right. Let me go on this side if I can. Not able to add it. Oh, I can't add any inputs. It's because I'm actively. So you did get the Elegoo Neptune 3 Pro. Nice. Okay, what I have. All right, I'm gonna go. That first. Vertical stream. Great. Okay, I'll have to delete it like this. This is my first time streaming from my Mac. It's not letting me make. Okay, that's what I need to do. Nice deck. Nice first on YouTube, not on short. Indy, you can if you give me just a few minutes to export this new build, I have a setting where you can flip it. You can always use the Steam configurator, like the input map. If you like go to start and go to like controller config, you can swap X and Y from that menu. But if you give me a few minutes, I have a native swap X and Y that I've implemented. Let me push this latest build, because this latest build has a lot of changes that are, in my opinion, pretty good. Game is not almost done. Game is still pretty far from done. Game is playable. I have to get a lot of input. So that's what I'm doing. You move the right joystick right and the camera moves left. Yeah. So what you want to do is you want to go into the Steam input API. I'll show you here in a second. Or you just wait a few seconds. And I have a button, right? That some people play backwards, right? Maybe myself included. I don't know if you're on a Mac or a PC. I've also noticed that the default between Mac and PC is opposite. But yeah, so most games have a button where you can flip that, and I have implemented that. But give me a seconds just. And then on top of that, if you just go to go to the camera or the config, you can swap. I don't know if you can swap X and Y. You can definitely, or X. You can definitely swap Y. But if you give me a few seconds, you'll be able to swap both. Right. Let's see. Push this. All right. Music's a little loud. There we go. Oh, your game's almost done. Nice. That's exciting. Glad to hear that. What's left to work on it? Righty. Yeah. I will. So part of it does have a tutorial. I think that should out kind of at the bottom, kind of how to move around. But yeah, I am working on a tutorial. One of the things in this playtest that I'm trying to kind of figure out is what's intuitive and what's not. So this new build does have at least an arrow to get you started to the first little part. And then I am adding more tutorial. Like the actual battle system is complicated, obviously. Success. All right, give me just 2 more minutes. Almost done here, and then it will be live on Steam, and you can go download the patch. You'll have to close Steam and reopen it back up. Get the latest patch. And I, I didn't test. Actually, let's Okay, let me show you this. Let me show you how to do this. I put it, okay, it's live on the test branch. I think I'll probably leave it like that for a moment just to test it for a few minutes, and then I will push it live to the other branch as well, to the default branch. Let me walk through this. How to go to the test branch specifically. Logging in. All right. Very good. So let me show you how to do this. All right, vertical, you're going to lose. Sports is not. All right, so let's see. So, go to your library, right? The game should pop up in there. You can go to the playtest version. When you go here, click on this here. Actually settings. Go to settings. Go to properties. Go to up betas, right? Beta participation. Go to test. And oh, a city regular layer. Oh, I gotcha. You're just talking about you. Hey, it's no problem though, Indy. I got you. You're pretty close then. So you have to do some procedural generation, flash screen, and then polish. Get it? Yeah, no problem, Indy. So when you do that, that should take you to the test version. Let's see if it'll let me. Don't know if that'll install the latest. What I expected was it up. It might have already installed it. I expected it. Oh shoot! You know what? I didn't publish change. Publish. All right. Cool. So then you should be able to do that, and you can kind of go back and forth between none. The update. Be pretty small. And then I'll go back to test. Beta. All right, and then we'll run it. What's your next game you're doing, Dak? Oh no. It. I don't know if I can. I'm sure I can, right? Oh, it's classified. Well, I understand. Hopefully it's a good one. You'll have to share it when you're. Okay, I have to figure out how to get this game to the other screen when it. There a. I just took a. How do you set default screen? Hold on. That did look good though. Okay, that looks good. I'm gonna go ahead and I'll keep playing on Godot, but I'm gonna go ahead and set my build here for default. So if you are playtesting, you should get this new build now. I'll add some. Confirm. Do the test. The only thing I was worried about was testing it to make sure it was live. I'll check out your stream, or your stream, to make sure I can see. All right, let's patch notes here. Let's see. Added updates based on back. Here's what we did. I know you can't see my screen, but I don't think I'm allowed to stream Twitch's back or Steam's back end. So this is what we got right now. And so we can watch my Chronicles of screen there. We added West system. We added some. We added. What did we add? I think that was it. Added camera axis inversion. Cool. All right, published. We go to Discord and let folks know there as well. We'll get back into the build announcement. If you are not in Discord, out. I took your spot. Tell your viewers. Gotcha. Well, you can still substitute Orbum. No, it's you can both do it. I'm not a great replacement. Game is, well, the playtest is live, Kamikaze. So you can check that out on Steam. And if you want to help playtest out, there's actually a button from Steam to go do Discord. Adding a couple notes here on Discord for added. Yeah, here's what we're gonna do. So this is live. Feel free to come check it out. You can go do the playtest. Give me feedback on Discord. It's super helpful. And then for now, I think today I'm just gonna kind of hang out, playtest the game a little bit, answer questions, try things out. So if you guys are interested, go for it. All right, we'll see. I would play it straight from. Yeah, I should. Except I don't know how to switch screens on Steam. It's fine. I'm really curious. Oh, there's got to be a quick. I wish my wish I could modify my OBS, but it's not letting me. I wonder if, what if I go into studio? See if there's a setting. Doesn't let me. While I'm live. Very good, Dak. Yeah, I don't think I can. That is oak. Not worried about it at all. I'm just... All right, so check it out on Steam. You can go download it, hit play. You can play it live. And let me know. Let me know how it goes. So yeah, here's some of the stuff I added here. Oh, you have a problem? What's your problem? I did add a quest marker, so I added kind of a whole quest system. You can kind of see it's telling me to access the war cart right now. That's new. So essentially here, go access it, and you unlock a weapon. It should really say quest complete there. I guess I half implemented that. But that's all right. All right, so then you can come in here and you can select your new weapon. Oh, also I didn't. You unlock it, but you don't actually get it. Your collisions failed again. I get it. Yeah, collisions are. What's failing on there? Sure. What's failing on your collisions? Oh man. Here we go. Oh shoot. Oh no, I broke the build. may have to go revert. So the menu's not showing up. Essentially the whole UI. Ah, dang it. Well, glad you fixed it. I broke my game. Hold up. We can fix this. All right. Hold up. Let me real quick. I'll go revert back to the... That's why I got to test stuff. All right. Wild. We'll fix that and then we'll... Alright. Fine. It's fine. You just don't get a quest menu for now. Alright, let's see where that was. We're going to do a little bit of dev today. I was going to just try to play the whole time. But ultimately what's happening is my UI is hiding. I did just change how I did that. Apparently I didn't do it in testing. Right here on free roam enter. Let's see. Oh shoot. So on show UI, what does this link to? Active player. Now what does this link to? Free roam enter. Let's see. I was assuming that was the case. So you fixed, yeah, man. I always fix stuff and then get like 16 different bugs. Get it for sure. Gotta pull this over. Let's see if I can... a weapon here. I need to go set this up right, actually. What's happening? Hilarious. All right, so yeah, my UI is not showing up. I think, let's see, I probably have multiple things connected to this. Let's see. Oh, look at that. I'm getting a lot of errors further from that. Update error calling signal active player to... Ah, I see. Expected 0 arguments but called with 1, so... I'll check it out later, Dak. Understood. I'll have to check out your collisions. I get it. For sure. All right. That should fix it. That should be a pretty easy fix. That way we can have the latest. I'll check it out after the stream, Dak, if you put it in the Discord. See, that works. Out my menu here. All right, now the menu is back, so I should be able. Let me run this a little bit before I'll push it back to Steam, but the latest can be on Steam. Oh shoot. Too many FPSs. I get it, man. Yeah, I have all kinds of weird things that pop up and occur. It's in. All right. Ooh, shoot. Crashed. Let's see. What didn't it like? Particle collector node. Type nil. Not everybody have their particle collector node. Fine. They do. They do. They do. Interesting. Okay, so it was just on him. And this was null. Dot particle. Oh, my active. Wait, active player was. Okay, that's interesting. I mean, I could pretty easily go if active player, not active player, but so my active player got cleared here. Probably too early. I kind of changed some stuff now where it's all. Oh shoot. I wonder if that'll be a problem. We'll figure that out. I'll figure that out later. One thing I used to have these all underneath the player, right? Where the player would have their own kind of version of all of this. I just realized that I may need to get a little bit smarter about how I'm passing signals because if multiple people are casting stuff, usually it works, but there may be a couple little hiccups here, obviously. Oh, interesting. Also, I see here, if not, there's no current magic. I'm returning before I do any code. Let's go fix that. All right. You guys know how hard it is to have a stream about making updates? Challenging. That was the goal for today. That's for sure not gonna happen. All right, so right here, that code will never execute. All right, let's try this again. Very good. Hey, you can post that video in the Discord deck if you're around. Check it out whenever I get a moment. Or in your Discord. Oh, you sent it to me. All right, check it out while we load here. Trying to figure out what I'm looking for. Here. Do you care if I share it on the... I wasn't quite sure what was happening. There's a lot going on. All right. Let's see if that should fix any kind of rashes at least. Let's see. All right, let's see if I can get some hits in. All right, deal. Didn't break anything. All right, let's go see if I can do a little bit more testing here. And if I can get a few rounds in here, what I'll do is I'll go ahead and push Steam. I want to be in the middle of casting when I take her out. Let's see if I can knock her out in one round here. I don't think I'll be able to. No, I'd have to get so many perfect frame hits. All right. So let me go. Now I think I can kill her, so I'm going to go ahead and start casting something. We'll cast like this. Cool. And then I should be able to go into a match here, and he shouldn't start casting it again. That'll be the key that it worked. Cool. Yeah, that works. All right. Good deal. So what I'm going to do is I'll leave this running. I'm going to hide my screen. 1 second so I can hide that screen. One. That's okay. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and actually first, I don't have to hide my screen. First, let me build. That looked pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and create a build. Okay. All. Get this onto Steam. See how that goes. And I can push this one to default, I think. Oh, good about it. I hope I can run it from Steam, right? It goes on the right monitor. I probably could select, like, do a button that like swaps monitors, but that would be pretty easy. Yeah, because I bet there's a like a Godot thing that says like, hey, which monitor are you using? Pretty. All right, cool. That didn't take long. Okay, covering my screen for a second. Very good. All right. Pushing the build. I need to put all this on the goal is to put all this on a CI/CD. And then essentially every time I make a change, it would automatically get pushed to Steam. I wouldn't have to think about it. Wouldn't have to ever worry about it. Log in here. Two-factor authentication. Good. It's loading. That's it. The entire process here. I still have to leave my screen off for a second till and I had the where it pops up with the right quest complete. I'll have to debug that here. All right, that is done. That one's actually okay. Go back to share my screen. Very good. All right. So, from there, what I need. Go push the build. Okay. Vault. Permit. Cool. All right. We are now before it. All right. We are now live. Now, what I can close out of back. I don't know if I actually have to do that. I could have just probably bounced between builds, but do that, and I'll see if I can get it to run on. Caps lock. Gator. This keyboard has like a beefy notepad. All right, we're getting there. Very good. Cool. So let me see if I run it from settings base. Gotta be like a go to like push screen, right? Like tell you which screen to play it on. Okay, I'm not options. All right, then games. All right, that's okay. We'll just try it. Let me check and make sure I've got the update. Oh, I'm in the wrong one. I don't see the patch note. Ah, weird. Weird. Yeah, I don't see the patch notes down here, but I definitely... Sure. Yeah, it pushed. See it. I probably need to... I don't think I set... Let's just try it. I mean, I'll be able to tell, I think, pretty quickly. Okay. Right version. Well, I want to push... Okay. Let's do some quick Googling. How to switch screen game running. I think it's something you have to implement. Open the game. Yeah, it's telling you, hey, go into Windows. Hold up. Steam. Settings. Display. See interface. But I don't see display. I could try big picture mode. See if I can do it. Ah. Now can I... All right. Let's see if this works. Ka! Dang it. Okay, back to the drawing board. I don't know how to navigate. Sure. All right. Anyway, I might not be able to do that this. I'll have to implement a swap monitor option. Let's see if what if I move it? Let's see. I'll go ahead and exit. Play. Let's see. Nope. All right. That's all right. Play it out of. It's fine. It's literally the same game. I just wanted to test the output build. Oh, I need a good way to do that. Okay, now I've got to exit big picture. Great, great. Setting. All right. Very good. All right, so here's what we've implemented. Now have arrow, quest. I need to add like the word quests, obviously. Up. Cool. All right, I'll probably just add some quests to here too. Like get to level 5, get an extra. I'll just add a couple quests and that'll test some stuff out. I've gotten a lot of good feedback this week. I published this test. It's been pretty good. I do need to build a lot of tutorials, right? Right now I have like no tutorials, which does make it hard. I have some pretty basic stuff, but a lot of things aren't really. I have some overlapping stuff. Obviously, a lot of kind of sloppy stuff. We'll get there. Very good. Interesting thing here. Right now her weapon is a lot more powerful than, so it takes any weapon that's and applies it to her. Now I have this kind of button here, which will reset save data, which is part of all my is probably good for running into issues. Like, it will take me out right now. If she might only after him. The AI that's programmed for these guys are pretty simple. I don't know. Good. Well, for me. Oh shoot! I just realized. Working over there. Best I can. What if I can? Welcome back. Welcome back. I did try to check out your video, Jack, but I wasn't really sure what was going on. Was it is that your mouse, like mouse collision? We're kind of being wild. Kind of hard to tell. You don't know what it is? Looked pretty wild. Wild for sure. I did get my build uploaded on Steam now. Problems that I've noticed. Wait. Try to chat your messages in chat and not. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, your messages won't go through too well. Or your code editor, your S environment. All right, so one thing I noticed, right? This is kind of cool. But when I cast more lightning magic, I'll cast a bunch of lightning magic. See, it's starting to rain. And if you look in the top right, that's the element map, right? And what that element map does is the more elements I pull out of the air, so in this case I'm pulling lightning out of the air, it pushes the map away from lightning, right? So as I push more lightning out of the air, essentially water spells get stronger, lightning spells get weak. What you'll notice now is when I attack with this, it's a lot weaker. I was just attacking with water here. You can see there, or with as I was originally. I am definitely running frame rate. Alright. Check out some of these weapons I've unlocked. Man, what happened to your team? A lot of these are all from completing that. Got like 1300 gold. Sort of accurate. Power. I just need to. Ooh, wraps of power. I kind of like that actually. Braces. Ah man. Yeah, my wife actually has a line. That's been pretty good, I imagine. Pretty painful. Like just the Invisalign. Little braces, but I'm sure it's not all that fun. How long have you had braces for? All right, I want to get that little lag. That lag's okay, I guess. It's kind of like makes the hit a little more impactful. But I want to be able to control lag, just which on my Mac when it's running well, it doesn't. Here when I'm running. Yeah, that sucks. Hopefully, pretty soon. That. Long sword of precision. So she has another really powerful weapon with some accuracy here. The enemy AI accuracy probably does actually do. It works. Like the last 5, having more accuracy. All right, so I have these wraps of power. Let me see how powerful they are. This is without spell. Oosh. That timing. Whip. Time for every weapons a little, but that's good. So I just unlocked the stick of man. Apparently, it's halves. Oh, it's a rod. Holy shoot! So 300 attack, which is pretty. 48 MP, 5 stamina. Go get some food. Go eat, Dak. Gotta eat. Gotta eat. Food sounds good. I had KFC tonight. I had some fried chicken, some mashed potatoes. It's all pretty. You can see now when I cast more water spells, ops range. I don't want that rod because then I can cast spells and I get some more. Let's see. That raw 1,000. Finish on. This is pretty good. Everything's running pretty smoothly. I do need to set it where when you quest you actually unlock it. Where you actually. It would be nice to have a stronger weapon. And I need to add another enemy. I have one available. I really shouldn't be bad to. Okay, let me see how those wraps power are. I also probably need to scale the price. 400. Wow. Oh, look at that. That has attack of wolf. That's an interesting. Alright, I'm gonna use 300 attack. I didn't see my mana. Huh. There. Oh, maybe it did. I was expecting to be around 100. I don't know what. Okay, so one. I could probably just. So glad the beef be a little more challenging. I need a. I've got kind of a concept I want to do AI, and every like different like personalities. Yeah, I think it's the. Holy crap! Yeah, that's all. It's a common stick. Quite a bit of. Very good. If anyone's interested, they can try this. Let me. Page, you can go check it out in the playtest. You can leave feedback by pressing this to our Discord. Would really appreciate feedback. The chainsaw, man. I'll have to check it out. I am not familiar with Was it a comedy? Is it a horror? All right, check this out. So I can cast spells now. I think. So based on this calculation, cast it. My mic's cutting out, really? I have a, hold up, I have a noise gate. Let me turn that noise gate. If it'll let me change. 50 up there. Shoot. OBS is not letting me change. I wonder if I have like something. You know what? I think that was it. Hold up. Might be able to fix my vertical stream. I think I'm just not used to Mac, so I think this was just user error. Yes. Okay. Now we are getting somewhere here. Okay. Hold up. One moment. All right. So I need the camera. If I can. There we go. Look at that. Much, much better. Cool. Well, I'm glad that worked. Okay, let's put that down here. Move this here. Awesome. Now it's much better. Hey, Inferno, good to see you. Thanks for bringing up my mic cutting off. Appreciate that. Cool. Now my vertical stream is in much better place. All right. Very cool. We are currently working on we're just playtesting. Just kind of playing around, trying to see how far we can get in this tonight. If you're interested in seeing this game, it is available on Steam to playtest. Look up Chronicles of Virtue. Actually, I can share my Steam page here. One moment, if I can get this to work. Look at that. Okay, good. And then I'll share it on the other YouTube side as well. Yeah, feel free to download it. Give me some feedback. There's a link. Oh, it won't let me post it. It won't let me paste it for some reason into this application. Let's see if I can do it that way. Nope. All right. Well, we tried. We tried. You can search Chronicles of Virtue on Steam otherwise, and that will take you there. Hold up. I can do this. I'll check it out. Chainsaw Man, huh? Creepy, funny. I haven't really watched. I've been watching Ted Lasso, actually. If you haven't seen Ted Lasso, it's pretty good. I'm a big fan of Ted Lasso. Highly recommend Ted Lasso. But I bet Chainsaw Man's pretty good too. All right. I need to set up a bot that automatically posts that every X seconds or something. Or every X minutes. Thanks, Inferno. I appreciate it. Thanks for the wish list. It is currently during the stream in open playtest. I will turn off the open playtest likely after the stream. I'll leave it open if you sign up for playtest. I think I'll still keep it visible for you so you can try it out. But yeah, if you're interested in kind of playtesting it, getting me some feedback, all of that's super helpful. So where I'm at right now is I have this battle system. This is the battle system. I'm trying to make it fun and trying to work on getting it kind of all together. And then I'll start working on the RPG elements. For now, really focused on the battle system and making it kind of more fun. It's coming along. This is fun. I really like the concept of coming in and trying to unlock weapons. It's kind of fun to try to get the system to. They're all generated. They're all kind of dynamically generated based on the level you're at, and it's a pretty good time. It's kind of like it has like if you've ever tried grinding on like Diablo 2. It's kind of what I'm going for in terms of the weapon generation. And I think it's working. I am way overpowered now because I got this legendary stick. But it's fine. She'll eventually catch up. I think I'll just keep attacking her until her health is too high for me to kill her. I think I can get pretty high. I've been working on it since about February, I guess. So pretty long time. Not long in terms of game dev, like 10 months as a hobby. So I don't do this full time or anything, but yeah, so probably about 10 months in. It is pretty far along. I need to do some optimization there, obviously, because it's kind of cutting out. Ooh, I got a mythic, a wand of mana. Let me check that out. But no, it's been fun. So this one has 275 attack, 83 MP, ooh, 88 health regen, and 19 stamina regen. That one's gonna be pretty good. That one's pretty expensive. Oh, actually pretty close. I think I can win one more match and unlock it. I'm gonna do that. Sweet. Oh shit. Oh shoot. Okay. So one of the things though is, shoot. Crap. She might kill me here. Okay. So one of the things is she has access to all the weapons you do, and one of the weapons is the ultimate of each weapon. She starts getting access to those. They get level 10, and she just rolled one. So what this means is she's going to be way overpowered compared to me. She has pretty low life, I think. So I may be able to take her out. Okay, good. That's kind of scary though. Long sword of endurance. Let's check that out. So this is pretty good. It ends up being like kind of this roguelike thing. I am getting a lot of weapons. I may need to give you fewer weapons. Like you only generate after a certain amount of time. That has a ton of attack. And I actually could unlock that right now. What's the long sword of endurance? Do I want this with HP regen and MP? Let's see. Trying to learn G develop? Okay, interesting. Cool. I haven't heard of G develop, but visual scripting is cool. So yeah, good luck there. Hopefully that comes out good. I think, and I know that people have made plugins for Godot, which might, I don't know if G develop is that plugin. I know people have made plugins for Godot for to allow you to do visual coding. Might be the way to go though. Yeah, and I think if you don't, I have a background in at least some scripting development, so it makes it a little bit easier. But I get that it's there's definitely a learning curve associated with it. I think I'm gonna go with the sword here. See what happens. I need to add, so I have another character I can add like immediately. I need to do that. And I need to add a leaderboard. That'll probably be the next thing I add is a leaderboard. Because it would be fun to be able to see how far everybody gets. Let's see. Hold up, I'm going to do something real quick. I'm just going to flop. I have some screens here on my other monitor. I'm going to flop where they're at. There we go. That's so much better. I just started streaming from my Mac. And I'm still pretty new to it. I don't know what I'm doing. There we go. Does that work? I think so. The angle's kind of weird, but that's all right. I gotta figure out. Maybe I need to build like a stand for my laptop. Oh shoot, she's gonna do a ton of damage. very good. It's playing pretty smoothly. I mean, there's some. Hey, appreciate the hearts. there's definitely some choppiness, but it's not too bad. There's definitely some optimization I can do. One of the reasons for the choppiness here is that the rod has so many polygons. It's like that. Oh, I guess I'm not equipping the rod anymore. Ooh, a mythic pike of endurance. So maybe it should get a little better. The rain I don't think is helping too much. They're all particles. Yeah, I do. I can share my Discord link. Let me see if I can grab that real quick. I can't grab it from Discord because it'll kick me out. But yeah, let me share my Discord link, and then if you do playtest the game, if you go here, provide feedback, that'll actually take you to Discord. Actually, let me do that, and that gives me the link. Huh. Okay, yep. All right, let me type that real quick for you. But yeah, that's where I handle all the playtesting feedback. So if you are playtesting it and you, let's see, did that work? One second here. Yep. Okay. So if you are playtesting it and you have some feedback, provide those in Discord. We have conversations about it. If you are doing game development in GDevelop, I would love to hear about your game too. Let's see if I can decipher your code, Dak. Let me see. It's not from these bells from this song. Is it Jingle Bell Rock? I did do a version of Jingle Bell Rock with my wife. My wife and I go play music places. And yeah, we just played Jingle Bell Rock this weekend. I do like Jingle Bell Rock. Pretty good one. One of the top 10 Christmas songs. I think Baby Come From Home from Christmas is a high top 10. Jingle Bell Rock's probably a low top 10. But still top 10. Nice. I get a free copy of your game. Worth it. Worth it. All right. Good deal. Hey, well, welcome to the Discord, Inferno. Glad to see you around. I usually post when I have updates to the game, so if you do end up playtesting it, which let me know if you have any trouble doing that. And then I'll keep you up to date on what's been changing there. And yeah, the community has been providing some great feedback, and we've got several developers in there who are all developing different games. So it's been a lot of fun seeing everyone's games. Hey, thanks for the follow. Also, appreciate it, Inferno. Very nice. Oh man, Dak, your message came through on my my chat accumulator. Oh, there we go. I see it now. Let's see that one. Let's see. I gotta think of what that is. Laughing info boom. I do multi-stream. Yeah. So I'm on YouTube Shorts now. Oh shoot, 1142. That's a new record for how much damage I've done. I got a divine weapon, wooden staff of endurance. We'll check out this. But yeah, I stream on YouTube Shorts, on YouTube, and on Twitch all at the same time, and it works out pretty well. I like it. There's different people, everywhere, so the community is nice, kind of building it in different locations. Okay, so what do we got? We got 163 stamina, 141 HP regen, 0.9, I guess 9% increase to Earth affinity, which is pretty good. It's not great though. But yeah, I do like multi-stream. What is that? Laughing info fireworks. Happy. man. Boom, boom, boom. That's a tough one, Dak. Is this from the hard mode? Here, let me copy that over for Twitch. Let's see if I can. So people can help. I guess you can see it above my head, huh? Let's see. Here, there it is. Oh, it's not a song? What do you mean? Okay, so it's not a song. And so is it like a saying? I need a hint. Not a song. Laugh. Info. Boom. I need a hint. I'm lost. Not a saying, but it's edible? Okay, something edible. Something... Oh, shoot. If she gets a hit off, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna die. I don't know what kind of dagger she has. I missed it, but... Okay, good. She didn't. Huh. Doing a lot of damage there. It's edible. Laffy Taffy? That can't be Laffy Taffy, right? I don't know what the fireworks info is. That might not be laughing. I might need another hint, Dak. Help me out. I'm pleasantly surprised with how this is going so far. I need some tutorials, I think, is the big thing. That's going to take a little while just to build those up. I think the tutorials I need a tutorial for how this works. And maybe what all the stats mean. I do need... And yeah, how to switch weapons, that sort of stuff as well. And then I need a tutorial on how all of the battling works. 'Cause fighting is pretty complicated. So not having that tutorial is kind of tough, for sure. You can go live. Yeah, you can go live. It is a little... So, like, Shorts chat, honestly, Inferno, I lose track of a lot. Because it's the only one on a different place. The Twitch and YouTube chat, like YouTube portrait mode, whatever you want to call it, it all goes to one chat, so it's nice and easy to keep everything together. But YouTube Shorts chat, I do lose. But yeah, you can multi-stream to a lot of different platforms. A lot of people do more than 3. I don't do like TikTok or let's see, Instagram. I don't stream on those, but yeah, a lot of people also stream TikTok and Instagram, which wouldn't be too bad. May end up start doing that depending on how this goes, just because I think it's good advertisement for the game. Like Instagram and TikTok are good, I guess, places to like see things like that. So I might start doing that. Something you suck on. I mean, things I'm thinking of, like Lemon Hedge, Jawbreakers, Battle Staff of Endurance. Let's check that out. Uh, 150 MP, 700 attack. Holy smokes. We're getting somewhere now. Oh, like Pop Rocks? Is that like a Pop Rock? Do you suck on a Pop Rock? The reason I'm getting Pop Rocks is because of the thing. You don't eat it. It's edible, but you don't eat it? It comes with something hard. Oh, it comes with something hard that you don't eat. So you're talking about like Fun Dip? But you do eat... Wait. If this is Fun Dip and you don't eat the stick in fun dip, you are fun dipping the wrong way. Wait, but no, it's round that you suck on it, and it comes with something hard you don't eat. Oh, like a ring pop? Ring pop? Comes with something hard that you don't eat. Okay, I don't think it's fun dip. I don't think it's a ring pop. Really close, huh? Okay. So close with, okay. But it's not a ring pop. She has so much health now. Oh, I just noticed that the target, her health's not popping up. The broadsword of the duelists. That's good because that's extra attacks. I don't think I need it yet, but I do have to nerf some stuff. I'm way overpowered. Let's see. Broadsword of the duelist. Yeah, just a lot of attack and a lot of attacks, which is pretty good. What's my current weapons? 559. This is 404. I'll just stick with what I have. Let's see. So I'm close with pop rocks. I'm close. Am I close with pop rocks or am I close with wait, like a baby bottle pop? Is that what it is? Oh shoot! I think she has the ultimate rod again. Her moving twice like that means her speed is boosted. She may end up getting me. Close to the ring pop, and it's not a baby bottle pop. There you go. Okay, good. Rod of precision. Close with. Wait, yeah, close to the ring pop. I feel like it's gonna be a candy I've never heard of. Let's see. Laughing Info Boom. Laughing Info Boom. Pop rock. Okay, so ring pop. If I haven't, then I'm living under a rock. Okay. I'm trying to think of candy like ring pops. Oh shoot, she doesn't have a weapon. That makes me nervous because that means she has a lot of attacks. Okay. Everyone's heard of this candy. Living under a rock. It's like a ring pop. It's Nah, that one's tough. Okay, like a ring pop. Is it new, like a new type of candy? I don't eat a lot of candy. Let's see, Laffy. Is it Laffy Taffy? I think I said Laffy Taffy, right? Could be Laffy Taffy, I guess. Ooh, Stiletto of Vitality. Okay, I got a Transcendent. This is my first Transcendent one, besides the one I start with. It is old. Have I already said Laffy Taffy? Let's see, that's probably a dagger. Slit of Vitality. Let's see, some HP. Oh, 193 HP regen. That's pretty good. Essentially, every turn, I would go back to full health. The attack's pretty low on it, though, only at 70. So I'll probably not switch to it. Do you suck on? I forgot that it was that you suck on it and it's round. Okay, so it's round. You suck on it. Oh, this is like a dum dum pop, or a dum dum pop. Lollipop, lollipop. It's lollipop. LOL. I pop. Lollipop. Oh, I feel stupid. Okay, yeah. I get it now. I get it. Very good. And you don't eat the stick. Holy smokes. That was bad. Lol, I pop. Yeah. That took me a while. We got there, though. Sweet. Oh, it's Pizza Hut Lover's birthday. Happy birthday to Pizza Hut Lover. Okay, guess the movie. I'm on it. Let's see. Nice. I do adjust the angle of the sword. I think when I swing, I need to add like some weightiness to the sword. Right now the sword is like attached to the hand. I need to clean that up quite a bit. I'm just gonna kill, yeah. Banjo playing Green Man takes a road trip with failing comedian and 1980s Studebaker, meeting a plumber model and rock band on the way to being chased by money-hungry businessmen. A banjo playing Green Man. In a 1980s Studebaker. Meeting a plumber model and a rock band on the way to being chased by money-hungry businessmen. Banjo playing Green Man? Why is he green? I don't... the only green people I can think of is the Hulk, right? Banjo playing Green Man. Well, by the way, I do play the banjo. I'll have to play it on stream someday. But that's not the point of this. Let's see. Banjo playing Green Man takes a road trip with failing comedian. Failing comedian. 1980s. Oh, shoot. Studebaker. Meeting a plumber model and a rock band. Broadsword of Leap. They'll give me some extra jump. I feel like I should know it, but there's another one. Plumber, model, rock band. That's another hint. I think like I would love to release this by the end of 2025, which I know sounds like a long way away, but I'm definitely doing this like part-time. So it's a little bit tough, but yeah, I think by the end of 2025 would be really, really good. If I could do it earlier, that would be awesome, but I just don't see myself being able to finish before then. I am probably going to limit it. I think I want something like 20 to 30 hours of playtime in this game. But yeah, not exactly sure. Actually, I think it was Dak who had the idea. Oh, that's a really good weapon. Wow, yeah, we're gonna go with that. I think it was Dak that had the idea of essentially like, so the story behind the RPG part of this, right, is the Chronicles of Virtue are essentially different books that all correlate to the 7 heavenly virtues or the 7 deadly sins. So what they are like, for example, the story starts out where nobody has ever really heard of magic at all. Magic just isn't a thing in the world. And what's going to happen is the Book of Greed, or the Book of Charity, is going to fall into someone that's lines more good into their hands. And that's going to allow magic to, instead of being all hoarded by like one evil wizard or something, to be dispersed. I'm doing a crap load of damage. It's awesome. So it's going to be like dispersed through everybody. So just magic is going to be just kind of fall on everybody, and everybody's going to kind of know or be able to learn magic. So then your goal is going to be to kind of go collect these books, right? And There's this title system I have in the game where essentially you'll be able to equip titles or the books to be able to kind of gain powers. And so yeah, I'm considering making getting each book, make it its own game. That kind of allowed me to flesh out the story a bit more, I think, which I liked. And then it'll let me release the game faster, which would be good. And then I think what you do is I can probably have it reach out. Actually, I definitely can have it reach out. Like if you have weapons or equipment or something in the other games, be able to kind of access it throughout them, at least from the earlier ones to the later ones. So I think that would be pretty cool. But yeah, a year seems like a long time until you're trying to finish a game, and then it doesn't. So, yep. But no, I think it would be a lot of fun to do that. Kind of split it up like that. It'll let me release the game earlier. I think it would kind of start, let me kind of flesh out and put more into a single leg of the story. And then I can make adjustments. And then I think I would try to get them all to share the same battle system. Thanks, I appreciate it. Now I'm still thinking, Dak. I can't think of any kind of movie with a plumber, a model, and a rock band except for Pick of Destiny. But I don't think it's that. I don't think there's a plumber in that movie. But yeah, I really appreciate it. Thanks. I've got a lot of notes here. I haven't started a lot of the RPG stuff yet, but I'm still working on it. Yeah, I'm stuck on. Do you have any more hints? Is this the movie I would know? I will say I'm pretty bad at movies. If it's a really old movie, I probably won't know it. If it's a really new movie, I probably won't know it. I'm just not really great with movies, so apologize in advance. But yeah, so ultimately I think I've got to think of something cool and some kind of big bad with each of the books. And then I think it could be really cool. And so I think you would essentially, because the way those books are aligned, if you are more good aligned, you deal with, you get the good side of the 7 heavenly virtues. And if you're bad aligned, you get the bad side. I think you could do some pretty cool things there. And essentially your big bads would encompass whatever that deadly sin is. Before your time. Sesame Street related? Okay, that does help. So I probably Sesame Street related. I don't know that I know the Sesame Street movies. So it's a Muppet movie, I'm guessing, or something like that, right? Are Muppets Sesame Street? Are those the same thing? And some of the cool mechanics I like about this game, by the way. So one of the concepts of magic being newly introduced to the world. See that map in the top right of the screen? You can't see it on vertical, but you can see it on the horizontal one. That map, as you cast spells, you'll see that kind of thing moving around. And so right now, my lightning spells are super weak and my water spells are super strong. So I cast Water Fist on her. So I imagine this is going to do just a ridiculous amount of damage. 3,466, so yeah, pretty wild. So yeah, that's a cool concept I like. One of the mechanics I like about this game is essentially it makes you think more about when it gets balanced. It'll make you think a little more about what spells you're casting, so you can't just keep spamming the same spell because they'll get weaker over time as elements are essentially pulled out of the air to cast your spell because there's less concentration of elements for that particular element. That's going to be weaker. Your spells will be so it's similar. It's close to Muppet, close to Muppets, and it's not like Labyrinth. No, I don't think so. There's nothing about a plumber in the Labyrinth. Close to Muppets. A little green man. Something close to Muppets. Oh, that's pretty good. The Halberd of Renewal. Oh, wow. HP and MP regen. 1,200 attack. That's pretty good. I'm just going to keep grinding. Keep getting gold here. Let me think. Little green thing close to a Muppet. Um. It's not the Grinch, I'm guessing. Wait, Kermit the Frog. Kermit the Frog here. He's a Muppet, right? He's a little green man. Wait. Okay, there is a little green Muppet. His name is Kermit. I imagine they're both Jim, whatever. Sesame Street guy, right? Banjo playing green man. Does Kermit the Frog play the banjo? I bet he would. And I bet they would. Oh man, I bet it's a Kermit the Frog movie. Tell me if I got it. I mean, if it's Kermit the Frog, I feel like that's all I need to know. I don't know if I can name any like Kermit the Frog movies. Like Muppet Christmas? Is that a thing? How close do I have to get with this? It is Kermit. Nice. What was the actual movie? What's the full name of the movie? Because I kind of named the character. I kind of cheated a little bit. Man, that was a good puzzle. He's pretty much worthless now. He's not dealing very much damage, unfortunately. I have no way right now for him to change his weapons. Though I think the code's set up where if I did change to him, I'd be able to. Broad axe of quickness. Ooh, so speed. Speed is a really strong stat because it could let me go twice in a row depending on how high it is. So let's see. Let's see how high this is. Ah, speed of 1. Ah, man. That could have been really good. But it's really not. Let's see. I'll keep using my fist for now. I have those wraps that are pretty strong. All right. This is running pretty good, though. I'm pretty happy with how it's running. All right, Zach. Well, I'll catch you soon. Oh, that's a glitch. I can have multiple weapons in my hand. I need to fix that. Well, thanks for hanging out, Dak. Hopefully your game continues to go well and you fix your glitch. But always good to see you. Oh, shoot. I wasn't fast enough. I should have watched the turn indicator. All right, let me go see actually if I can. I'll cast spells with him because I don't think he's doing much. Let's cast Holy. I don't think the spells are going to do much damage. We'll see. Yeah, she's just going to kill her anyway. Man, I'm excited for you. I'm excited for you. Ooh, this is a fun one. Okay, so I just got the Engraved Rod of Reach, which is kind of a fun weapon. Anything of reach is fun because it increases my attack range. And it's got good attack, a lot of HP. Wow, it's going to increase my HP by 321. Nice. It didn't increase it by 3. Oh, it might have. Yeah, my current weapon probably had an increase too. Well, I'm excited to see your big ideas. All right. Yeah, I think I need to definitely nerf. So check this out. You see how I'm only here? This is what the of reach does. I can actually still hit her, which is pretty nice. All right, let's see. Here's an Engraved Rod of Quickness. Oh, it's unique. So it's probably got some good stats. Let's see. That's, I think, the rarest it gets. Holy smokes. Okay. So that is a lot. 200 stamina, 1500 attack, 5 attacks, which is more than normal rod, 1 jump, 1 speed, 24 accuracy, 26% increase in my air affinity, and 14% increase in my lightning affinity. That's a good weapon. So this is my first, I think, like what I'd consider like a really good weapon that I've unlocked, which is pretty cool. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Rods. I wonder why I'm dropping rods. It's good rods so much. Nice. I'll take a screenshot of that, post it in the Discord. All right, I want to go until I die. I think the chance of me dying is really low. So, yeah. I need to figure out what I want to do here. I think I need to add a second character. I think right now it should be really hard to win. Like I should really have to be trying. Now, I mean, with this weapon, I mean, I'm dealing like 5,000. Balance, staff, of vitality. I feel like my luck stat has shot through the roof for some reason. I should not be... Okay, something's broken, I think. I shouldn't be accessing unique weapons every time. But I'm getting a lot of unique weapons. Let's see, what is this? 600 attack. Do I change my... I'm kind of thinking that my my luck stat may change based on my level. I didn't think it did, but I have a feeling that it is. Because I should not be unlocking unique weapons every single time. Which I did start with high luck, right? Like, so part of the playtest is I have my luck stat set really high, just because it's fun to go generate weapons. I'll check on that here in a moment and see what my luck stat is currently. My guess is that my luck stat's really high. All right, and also I can cast spells. Hey, I need to do a lot of balancing here. Let's see, because I think this will do like nothing. Yeah, I mean it literally did nothing because her defense is too high. She might get me here. Holy smoke! She dealt 14,000 damage. Holy crap. So it just takes one hit. That's good to know. The balance here is so far off. That's wild. Does that take a screenshot? Nope. Let's see if I'll take a screenshot of the damage it deals here. I think there's no way oh shoot. I should have switched to my weapon here. I don't think there's any way I can beat her with him. Ah, shoot. Glitched. Oh, I should have used water. That's not going to help. Lightning's going to be so weak right now. Okay, that was a tactical error. Alright, she's going to kill me right here. Shoot. Oh, you did a hand whistle? Like that? Very nice. Congratulations. It's hard to do. All right. So, well, that was fun. Oh, I forgot to check. Shoot, I forgot to check what my luck was, but I think it was high. I think I'm multiplying my luck by my level right now. I shouldn't whistle like that because I literally have a baby sleeping underneath me. So, oops. All right, let's see. So I got Iron Fix. That would have been good. let's see here. That's probably the best one I have. I'm gonna take a screenshot of that and share it. All right. Well, that was fun. Yeah, unlocked a lot of weapons there. Had a good time. All right, so keep playtesting this. I'm gonna go ahead and call it a night here. But yeah, I would love to hear your feedback. Appreciate everyone tuning in. And yeah, I'll see you on Friday. I'll be streaming again. Check out our Discord if you haven't joined yet. Take a look there. I think most people in here have. So, but yeah, I'm gonna go and call it a night. Have a good night, everyone. See you later, Dak. Yeah, I'll tune into your stream sometime for sure. If you're streaming tomorrow, I'll try to pop in there. But yeah, catch you later.